Customer requests vary widely, from a single component to a complete gearbox with hundreds of parts and multiple stakeholders. In such complex assemblies, even the smallest issue, like a missing link, can hold up delivery. That's why we've moved our product development to Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform.
At SwePart Transmission, we design and manufacture high-quality transmission components tailored to our customers' needs in SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience. Everything from gearboxes and gears to drive shafts. We operate 2 factories in Sweden and deliver to companies like Volvo, Komatsu and ABB. Our largest site is in Liato. It houses our design department, a flexible machine fleet and our newly expanded assembly area. In Sibbhult, we focus on high-volume production and run our heat treatment facility. When me and Alexander studied at Linnaeus University, several of our mechanical engineering courses introduced us to different CAD software, and SOLIDWORKS was one of them. We also came across 3D Experience during our project courses.
After graduating, we started working at SwePart, where SOLIDWORKS was already in use, which made the transition seamless.
Most files, especially 3D solids, were saved in local folders, and it was difficult to find the right versions, and drawings weren't always correctly linked to the solids.
From that experience, we felt confident that implementing the platform would improve our structure.
We also noticed that many of our customers use 3D Experience, which created opportunities for easier file sharing and closer collaboration. After that, we joined a hands-on training session with PLM Group, which sparked a lot of ideas on how we could bring our vision to life. We began our journey with the platform by planning the overall layout and identifying which functions we needed for our daily operations.
We set on an approach where we structured our files in different collaborative spaces based on customers and product types.
We also set up various routes for a streamlined review workflow. These ideas were later discussed with a 3D Experience expert from PLM Group, who provided positive feedback and gave us the confidence to move forward with our ideas.
The first project to fully utilize the platform was the development of new gearboxes for a construction machine. It was our first time using the platform in a full trial to make sure everything worked as intended.
So far, we have mostly been sharing files with external partners through 3D Experience. It's simple to use and it feels secure doing this way.
Previously, we only had things structured and neatly synchronized on the drawing side. Now we are also setting up different types of review workflows through the Routes app on the platform to review various drawings and 3D solids, which we are now introducing to our colleagues.
By restructuring and centralizing file management, we've improved both internal processes and collaboration with customers.
The biggest improvement compared to what we had before is how we structure CAD documents on the platform. During projects, a lot of time goes into the design stage, and by working with configurations, we can reduce the risk of manufacturing errors and save time when making design changes.
The next step is to use 3D Experience in our production. Being able to show models in real time makes it easier to understand what needs to be manufactured. It gives our colleagues on the production floor completely new support.